Okay, we've got a bit of a situation right now. So Ed's is currently sounding like a tractor. Sounds brilliant, mate. And it pops. Can you actually see it from here?
Yeah. Lay down.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's literally not even there. It's not. Wait, hang on, I don't think it's focusing. Look at that! Okay, that might be a bit of an issue. Man. Oh, stop. Jesus. Right, to be fair, I don't even know if I have any welding wire. That's anything.
Please tell me you do.
I think I do, but it's flux. It's disgusting. Anything to hold it for the time being, yeah. I'll try my best.
Take that off and then it will pull out.
Yeah, you could literally just unbolt that.
Well, I'm gonna unbolt anyway.
I'm gonna wait until it's a bit cooler before you touch it though.
I'm not gonna...
So here's the culprit. It's just where it's gone from 2 to down to 1 in the pipe, because this just goes on to like the rest of the exhaust out to the back. But where it's welded from the 2 to the 1, it's just snapped off, just completely clean snap really, because it's pretty flat. So yeah, so currently we're just taking off the headers. What welding? Oh, it's like a little tiny little tack on that thing. Okay, so successfully removed the manifold and the broken bit. Basically, I'm going to try and weld them back together because I think that's the temporary fix. But otherwise, we're going to order some of this. But this, yeah, put that back in. Obviously, you know what must be done when we've just got straight out the block. It's got heat wrap on it for a reason. You know what must be done. God. Oh, it stinks, bro. Oh my god. I'm fast as fuck, boy. Right, well, if anybody knows welding, knows that that's not amazing, to be honest, but it's going to hold for now because he's going to order a new one, but it's going to give him the ability to drive it, so that's the main thing. But the reason why it's so shit, I can weld a lot better, but I hate flux cord. It's so hard to weld with. You get so much porosity all the time. Anybody who knows exhaust, they usually get done with TIG welding, just easy for home life, but I'm a lot better at TIG. Right, so we've got to put this all back on now. The gaskets and everything, literally just a temporary fix. It's not amazing, not my best work ever. Not by a long shot, I'm way better if it was TIG weld. Yeah. Here he is, the man himself. Whee! Fucking sexy ass bike. Come on, give us a wave. You got it.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Shut up! Stop! Stop! There we go. It's back to normal.
3 days later.
Look who decided to show up. My Hellcat friend. I've finally got him to modify. I say modify, we're just having a bit of fun until he gets like a bigger car. But basically today we are going to be putting an air filter on this to make it sound good. Because you hate how it sounds, innit? You hate how it sounds, innit?
What if I crash it? I'm gonna put prison. No, you won't. I'm gonna put prison.
Yeah, because these are actually good flies. Those ones didn't even open like properly.
I've had a Hellcat withdrawals.
Well, you haven't seen one today.
I'm on Instagram.
Right, look there. Go show it to the camera. Go show it to the camera. So I want to show the people how much shit he's spending on shoes, bro. 400 quid for some like
Bricks, bruv.
no.
You wouldn't know about it.
They're literally
You're a
Converse.
peasant.
They're just
You're a
Converse
peasant.
with like some label on it.
God dang. I am illegal.
Now
I am illegal.
part of the modified. Yeah, no,
That's it.
that's actually pretty clean. When was this placed?
You don't need it, mate.
You don't need it.
What, you changed that as well?
Yeah, you won't need this. You need it when you have a cone filter. That does that job. It's just a cone filter that goes around. This is just literally the original filter. Look at the shit I'm going through for you. Basically, I'm literally. I'm turning into one.
Say it.
It's here, word. Don't make me say it.
I'm using my need for speed knowledge. I thought ECU used the car regulated.
That's AC.
No. That's not AC.
Electronic control unit. That is your brain of your car. That's what turns all the electrics on and everything.
Oh.
What are you on about? Right, so I'm deciding to take it off my MX5, use the filter, because I do have a filter here, but it's massive, like, thing, so it's not going to fit on here, so I'm going to take mine off the MX5, because I'm going to buy a new one and refreshen this at some point. You can't see? Can you not? But yeah, so we're going to transfer that to that over there.
I mean, this is way better than the MX5 anyway, so.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Quite as good use.
100%. I'm good. This
I mean,
is
look
getting
at it,
used.
it's fucking
1.2. Look how tiny this engine is. It's so weird. It's only a 3-pot, which is fair, but it's still so small.
Gapped a portion away. Yeah.
Oh, that one with the BBS rim.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was got like 200 miles an hour.
Jeez, I didn't even know it could reach that.
Yeah. Believe it or not.
I don't believe it.
This is like quite. when I say it's a sleeper, they look at the engine and say that's not a sleeper. I say yeah, but it's inside the engine.
Shut the fuck up.
That's just a shell.
That's just a shell.
I don't mind. It's you.
Yeah, but no. Yours is different.
Make it.
I can if you want.
It's working.
Do you really want me to have? You want a 4-inch exhaust on the back?
Whoa! It's massive as well, isn't it?
Yeah, it'll be well allowed. Look at that. Mechanic genius. Genius mechanic. It fits directly on. Like no adjustment, no tightening, no whatever. Trust me, you're going to love this. We're going to go out for a drive.
Within the limits.
Yeah, within the limits of.
Within the limits of the legal.
Of course, we're not going to Mexico today. Your dad's going to be jealous, mate. He's going to want filters on his Mercedes.
Oh, could he put one on mine?
Good. Right, Bangladesh, mate.
Right.
Yeah. That's it, bro. Bang, boom goes the dynamite. There you go.
Start it. I'm riding. I'm gonna get out of the bitches now! Yeah. Oh, yeah!
It's sounding good, boys. It's sounding good. What are you saying?
My cock's bigger than the engine.
Yeah. There it is. Dunzo, mate. As he said, he's getting all the bitches now.
Yeah, man.
Right, let's go for a drive. It's excited.
Watch out! There's a polo in town!
Here we go. First reactions to the filter. Let's go.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
That actually sounds mid as fuck in this engine.
It does sound a lot better. That is a lot better.
Yeah.
Because when I drive into the caravan, it sounds like a hairdryer.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
So I hope your hair's wet, it's about to get fucking dry.
I like how you proper listen up.
Oh, that's well fun.
I don't even know if this camera's going to pick it up.
Probably not. Yeah, the hot as hell, this hot ass
Oh, you're not going back round?
Oh. Can do.
Yeah, and then now second gear, and then put your foot down. No, get all the way to the red line, bro.
You start giving out at fucking.
Yeah, no, I just noticed that. That's horrible.
It just.
Right, well, my camera died, obviously. Nothing really happened after that, really. We decided to take the original like filter box off of mine and just have the filter there, like the original like square one that I took out of his, and see what it sounded like on mine. It sounds so loud, which is pretty sick, but I'm not gonna have it because it's gonna sound faster than it actually is. But I'll definitely do that when I engine swap it. But for now, I'm just leaving it stock. I don't know when I'm gonna engine swap it, but it'll be at some point soon. I'm gonna be focusing on the Mx5 next. Gonna be stripping that down probably in the next video. Although next video will be Supercar Fest. Then I'll start working on the Mx5, I think, and actually do some sanding. I haven't done any sanding. I lied in the last video. I apologise. Don't hate me. But yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap this up here. Oh Jesus, this is on. My camera's about to die on this as well. Right, well, I appreciate all the love and support, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.